Hello and welcome to a tutorial on how to use Barry Analytics. In this tutorial, we will be going through a step-by-step guide on how to customize the settings of your Barry Analytics reporting app. First, we will be accessing the application settings. This app is fully customizable, and based on your settings, you will be able to generate reports. There are 5 different settings you can change in this module. Those are week settings, source settings, skip postfix, remove 0 from prefix value, and currency conversion. With week settings, you are able to choose how your typical sales week progresses. You can either choose Sunday to Saturday, or you could go for Monday to Sunday. This essentially changes around the way you view the dates on your report. The second subsetting you will see in this menu is the source total amount view. This setting decides where you will be seeing the total amounts on the reports, whether you would like to see it in the header or in the footer. For example, if we go to the category sales by week report, you can see that the total is written in the header of the report. Next, we have the postfix option. So choosing yes or no will decide whether or not you skip different SKUs of one overall product. A t-shirt may have the SKU of 1, 2, 3, 4, and you are also selling on FBA with the SKUs of 1, 2, 3, 4 underscore FBA. This setting will skip the underscore FBA and leave all the data under the main SKU of 1, 2, 3, 4 for the t-shirt. If you sell across multiple marketplaces in multiple countries, then currency conversion is something you'll need to use. You can manually enter the currency exchange rate so that you are able to have accurate figures on the reports. Next, we'll be looking at the source/subsource settings. This setting is where you can decide which of your stores you would like to use in Barry Analytics so you can view their reports. All you have to do is tick or untick to add or remove stores from Barry Analytics. Now we move on to one of the most interesting settings of the app, the Manage Buyer settings. In Manage Buyer, you are able to see the brands. These are called categories in Linnworks. You can see the buyer, their target, and where they are at right now. This helps you to see who is on track to achieve their targets and how much they are selling each month. You can add a new buyer by accessing the plus sign in the top right. Now, a buyer can be anyone in the business. It can be an employee, a manager, and even the owner. A buyer is essentially someone who is responsible to supply the brands they have been assigned and make sure they sell. So say one person is responsible for the wallpaper category in your business. You can set a buyer for that brand and set them a weekly target to achieve. All you have to do is write their name, assign them brands. You can select as many as you'd like and set them a target for them to achieve. The last settings in Barry Analytics is the manual sync settings. This does what the name says. It manually syncs your Linnworks data and puts them into Barry Analytics. This is determined by the date range you enter in the beginning. Our recommended sync length is 30 days. That is all for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave in the comments below or give us an email. I will try to get back to you as soon as possible to answer any of your queries. I'll catch you in the next video.